All right, today we're installing the Focus Protocol. It's a system to reclaim your brain and actually execute on your goals.
Think about it. Every notification is a leash, pulling you away from the person you are truly meant to become.
Or is that number just a painful record of your own defeat? Okay, let's begin.
Look, this isn't just about finishing some task. It's about retraining your whole nervous system for depth and intensity.
So, stage 1 is the purge. You're not broken, you're just totally overstimulated by constant digital junk.
For the next hour, your phone is basically dead to you. These are the terms. No negotiations.
Now that the digital noise is gone, let's hit stage 2. This is all about destroying procrastination urges instantly.
Your brain wants to keep you comfortable and soft. Don't even give it time to argue you into doing nothing.
So the command is simple. You count down 3, 2, 1, and you move. That's it.
If a task takes less than 2 minutes, you destroy it immediately. No exceptions, and absolutely no delays.
Now, for those bigger missions, you're going to need a structured attack, and that's where the Pomodoro technique comes in.
The rhythm here is brilliant. 25 minutes of pure, absolute focus, followed by a 5-minute tactical reset.
Think of this as your manual reset button. Go on, take one deep breath right now. Use it.
Okay, let's get into this. A commander doesn't plan the battle while the cannons are already firing, right?
You have got to plan tomorrow, tonight. Seriously, the difference in how you start your day is everything.
This is your core mission. Just identify 3 small, clear wins that will actually move the needle forward.
You know, the best part about this is how simple it is. This right here, it's your entire plan for the day.
So that's the system in a nutshell. Internalize it, master it. And now, let's get to the final piece.
Pay attention, because this final part, it's the most important. It's not just about what you do. You have to stop waiting to feel disciplined. Discipline is a choice, it's not a feeling. It becomes your identity.
So this right here is the crucial shift. This is who you are now. You need to act accordingly.
And let's be clear, this isn't some small change. It's a total replacement of your entire operating system.
Your mission is crystal clear. The protocol is installed. You know what? The only variable left is you. Execute.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.